A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is a type of bank account designed to help you save money while earning a higher interest rate compared to a regular savings account. It helps you save money and earn interest, making it an attractive option for those looking to grow their savings more efficiently. HYSAs offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, which means you earn more on the money you deposit. This can be particularly beneficial in a low-interest rate environment where traditional savings accounts offer minimal returns. This means your money grows faster, allowing you to reach your financial goals more quickly. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or just want to build an emergency fund, a HYSA can be a great tool. They are FDIC insured, which means your money is safe, even if the bank fails. This insurance provides peace of mind, knowing that your hard-earned savings are protected up to the maximum limit allowed by law. You can withdraw your money easily, just like with a regular savings account. Most HYSAs offer convenient access through online banking, ATMs, and mobile apps, making it simple to manage your funds whenever you need to. HYSAs offer several benefits. The most significant is a higher interest rate. This means your savings grow faster. You earn more money without doing any extra work. HYSAs are also very safe. They are FDIC insured, just like regular savings accounts. This gives you peace of mind knowing your money is protected. The main difference is the interest rate. HYSAs offer significantly higher rates than regular savings accounts. This means you earn more money on your savings. Some HYSAs might have minimum balance requirements. This means you need to keep a certain amount of money in the account to earn the higher interest rate. Section 4. Potential drawbacks of high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs, are often touted as a fantastic way to grow your savings more quickly than traditional savings accounts. They offer higher interest rates, which can be very appealing. But, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's important to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks before diving in. For instance, some HYSAs might have monthly fees. These fees can sometimes offset the higher interest rates, making the account less beneficial than it initially appears. Be sure to check for these fees before you open an account. It's always a good idea to read the fine print and understand all the terms and conditions. Also, while HYSAs offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, it's crucial to remember that these rates are not fixed. These rates are still variable, which means they can change over time. They might go up, but they can also go down, depending on the economic environment. This variability can affect your savings growth, so it's something to keep an eye on. Always stay informed about the current rates and any changes that might occur. Additionally, some HYSAs may have minimum balance requirements. If your balance falls below this minimum, you might incur fees or lose out on the higher interest rate. It's essential to maintain the required balance to fully benefit from the account. Make sure you can consistently meet these requirements before committing. Lastly, consider the accessibility of your funds. Some HYSAs might limit the number of withdrawals you can make each month, which could be inconvenient if you need frequent access to your money. In summary, while high-yield savings accounts can be a great tool for growing your savings, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks. By understanding the fees, variable interest rates, minimum balance requirements, and withdrawal limitations, you can make a more informed decision that best suits your financial needs. Section 5. Is a high-yield savings account right for you? If you're looking for a safe and easy way to grow your savings, a high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is a great option. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster over time. It's ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings goals, or simply earning more on your money. For instance, if you have a specific goal like saving for a vacation, a HYSA can help you reach that target quicker due to the higher interest rates. Additionally, the interest earned can be a nice bonus for your financial growth. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your savings grow without any extra effort on your part. Before opening a HYSA, it's crucial to compare rates and fees from different banks. Not all HYSAs are created equal, and some may offer better terms than others. Look for accounts with no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. Choose an account that aligns with your financial goals and needs. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or just want to maximize your earnings, a HYSA can be a valuable tool in your financial strategy. Make sure to read the fine print and understand any limitations or requirements associated with the account.